What other assignments have you got going on in Mongolia?
Well, one of our most popular projects is the Book Ger project.
Are these actual gers?
Unfortunately not. They are reading rooms that are based in community centres in some of the remotest toros in Ulaanbaatar.
Hey, so the Book Ger sounds pretty cool. Maybe we should go and pay it a visit.
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea.
And this could be your first assignment for VoiceBox.
Even better idea.
I've got your jacket. I think it's time to go. Good luck.
Hey guys, so we've arrived here at the Book Ger. This is the first Book Ger to be opened in Dumptert. I hear there are some kids inside, so let's go inside and have a look.
Hello! Shut the bedroom window in the morning. Go to the shop, make plans to be leaving.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Hello,
My name's Erna.
my name is Bacha.
This place looks great. Want to show me around?
Yeah, sure. Let's start with the books.
Okay.
An alley cat chewing on dead meat.
Here we have books for children. We have here about 400 books in Mongolian for children up to, let's say, age 12, 13. There are some books written by Mongolian writers, books translated from other languages. And also we have over 100 English books. And I will show you one book. We had the books translated by, and they are glued here, so it's easier for children to read both English and Mongolian, and we thought it might help them to learn English. In addition to books for children, we have other materials for adults, for parents, grandparents. Usually people come with their children. When children are reading, the parents can read also. So we have here books about chess, how to grow vegetables, how to run farms, etc. So
Books for all ages.
for all ages.
Thought I was sleeping, it was just a dream. An alley cat chewing on dead meat.
Hello, my name is Bettina.
Hello, my name is
Hello, my name is Tama.
Out of the dark and into the lights. When the morning comes, I will be alright.
We work here during 2 years. We all study 58 school, and after school we come here and here studied and do homework, also help them, and we all librarian. And our librarian is so comfortable, and they have about 500 books, and Mongolian books and English books. We all read and study these books, and it's so nice.
This place looks a lot of fun. What do the kids do here?
They can do many different things. They can come and pick the books and go there and sit and read. They can draw, they can write about the books. Even they can play with puzzles. So they can do whatever they want.
That sounds fun. Can I go and play?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
When I leave, I try not
This makes
to
some
wake
brain.
up. Tiana toast to yesterday's capers. In the morning,
Beautiful, yeah.
she wrote my name.
Hi, my name is Timothy Gittik.
When I got there,
I like this book.
So this is one of the children that comes to the Book Gers, and she's going to talk more about herself and the Book Ger. So would you like to introduce yourself?
My name is Hulma. I am 13 years old. I go to school number 58. I study in 9th grade, 8th grade. Yeah. This book is very nice, comfortable, and warm. I like to visit the book.
Do you like to read?
Yeah, I like to read book.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Child and interesting.
Do you like to draw and play games with all the other kids?
Yeah,
Yes.
I like to play.
Are any of your artworks up here?
Yeah.
Yes. Cool. So there's a lot of lovely artwork here. Did the kids do it or did you do it?
No, I didn't.
No, you
but
didn't?
The children do it. They come and, as I told before, they read, and one of the things that they would like to do here is they draw the characters or draw some of the events from the books, and they hang it here.
So these are all the lovely kids' artworks?
And if you look at these wooden structures, these bring into the book gear the atmosphere of the gear. So it looks like a gear inside the book gear.
I see.
And these are also used to hang the children's
Artwork.
artwork.
One of the other things the kids like to do is put on role plays. I'm lucky enough to see one of them.
But it's still the same in the morning. In the morning.
I had a lot of fun today. Maybe you guys would like to visit Boca next time. Bye. Until next time. Bye. Hey, Andrew, I'm back.
Hey Orna, I'm glad you made it back to the studio. So tell me, how was the book gear?
It was really cool. I had lots of fun hanging out with the kids. I wish I could have stayed longer though.
Nice one.